Hello sir, how is everyone? I hope everyone is doing very well. Friends, today's content is going to be about how to fix Windows 11 update error. Alright, so this problem is happening with many people. In this video, we will show how we will fix this problem. So first of all, after coming to your Windows, you have to search for Device Manager here. You need to open this Device Manager. After opening it, you will find an option called Network Adapters here. Okay, you need to click on Network Adapters. After clicking, you see this second option here internally. You need to right click on it. Then you need to go to Properties. After coming to Properties, you will see an option called Driver. You need to click on this driver. Then you need to click on Update Driver here. After that, you will see Search automatically for drivers here. This means you have to search for drivers automatically. You need to click on it. After doing that, you need to update it. Alright, after doing this, to close this. Alright, look here, it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, you need to close this one by one. Close it. Then you will need to go back to Windows. After going back, you need to search for Task Manager here. It's happening. You need to search for Task Manager. Open it after searching. After opening it, you can see an option called Services below. Alright, so you need to click on Services. After doing that, you will find an option called Open Services here. You have to click on Open Services. After doing that, select this and search here for Wi-Fi. Then you will see an option called Wi-Fi Direct Services. Okay, you need to click on it directly. After that, go to Properties here. Later you have to change the status type here from manual to automatic and apply it. After doing this, you have to click OK here. So after doing this, the problem you will have is that it will be fixed. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel.